Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Confirm your device runs Windows 11 and includes a TPM chip for security. Enable BitLocker or device encryption if you plan to protect data. Set a secure PIN first in settings because Windows requires a PIN before fingerprint enrollment. Install the fingerprint reader driver from the manufacturer and reboot the device after installation. Make sure the reader sits flat and unobstructed on the chassis or USB area. Clean and dry your finger for best sensor accuracy and quick enrollment. Open Settings and navigate to Accounts, then Sign-in options to begin setup. Choose Windows Hello Fingerprint and verify your account using the PIN you created earlier. Follow the on-screen prompts to place your finger on the sensor repeatedly at different angles. Lift and reposition your finger during scans to capture edges and center for a complete template. Continue until Windows reports that enrollment is complete and stores the fingerprint locally. Test sign-in by locking the screen and using the fingerprint sensor to unlock. If fingerprint enrollment fails, update the device driver and firmware and try again. Reconnect or reposition any external USB sensor and use a different USB port if available. Remove smudges and moisture from both your finger and the sensor before retrying enrollment. Manage stored fingerprints under sign-in options to add, rename, or delete entries for multiple fingers. Keep Windows updated and install sensor firmware updates to avoid compatibility issues. For persistent problems, consult the manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.